Hello everyone, just thought I'd make this very quick video of me unboxing the channel's 100,000 subscriber Silver YouTube Button Award. It finally arrived yesterday, so I thought I'd share the moment with you all. After all, it's you subscribers that made this possible. This is very exciting for me. Never in my wildest dreams would I have expected to reach this fantastic milestone. Right, finally getting it open, and the first thing to remove is the protective foam. And looking at this little card, it was packaged and inspected by Rick. Thank you, Rick, good job. And apparently this very nice letter is from and signed by YouTube CEO Susan Wojcicki. You can pause the video if you want to read it. And there it is, the Silver Button Award that I'm really proud to receive. From where I was due to illness 2 years ago to this moment is nothing short of remarkable, and it's all down to you subscribers for believing in me. So this award is as much yours as it is mine. Well, that's about it for this one, and I hope you'll join me in my next video, which will be coming up in a few hours, and it's a great pita bread recipe, so I hope you're looking forward to that one. Okay, as always, please like, share, comment and subscribe, but most of all, be safe in your kitchen, and bye for now.